Pagpasok ng guest, ulit, fan zone ito, paglabas mo, tennis na. Kompleto sa kwento ng buhay ng isang tennis fan at ng isang turista, yung Rizal, yung Rizal Memorial. So very exciting ang mga plans talaga natin dito. Tingnan nyo po to, in the next 3 days, hindi nyo rin makikilala ito. Sabi ko nga, ano to eh, everything we're doing here, at the end of the day, we simply excite people because when you say sports and tourism, it excites people. So it excites all of us. It excites you. It excites the young people. So abangan po natin again yung transformation ito as a fan zone during WTA. And we are in talks with PhilTA, with Secgen John Ray Tiangco, because we are very open. Kami sa PSC, we are very open to really transform this again as the premier tennis facility in the country. You can just imagine if once we do that. Diba? So, well, craze na eh. Alex is a craze all over the world. Alex is an meaning, fan ng lahat si Alex, diba? So dapat lang gawin na natin siya talagang yung positive image of our country. And she truly deserves that. So, yan ang gustong magawa rin ng Philippine Sports Commission. So, tuloy po tayo ron.